With our first major storm of the year passed, now it's time to look forward to more rain to come. With that, you have storm drains that are stopped up or will get stopped up from debris. There are two ways to clean those storm drains. One is with a cable, one is with hydro, which is high pressure water. With the cable, you run your cable inside the storm drain, but the problem is they're not piped the same way as other drains. They don't have a long sweep 90, they may have a short 90 or a short T, and that cabling may not clear your drain. There's no guarantee the cabling will. Then you have to go to the hydro. With hydro, it's a slender cable with high pressure water, 2,000 PSI, which will go in and blow the debris and the dirt backwards towards the entry point, and that way you can clear your drain from the backyard to the front, and you won't have water flooding your backyard, your atrium, or any area around your garage or around your house. Please clean those storm drains. Thank you.